Get this real car. Real street car.
Yeah, get it.
Look at this shit. In them streets.
Sound like he's about to break.
You want a shot at this dime?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, we'll pause. What that front do? Yeah, that.
I was behind him for a reason. I don't feel like being up on no camera.
You on camera. You on camera.
But I lied.
Tell him what that front do.
A lot.
A lot.
Pull in front of it.
Chill. Huh. Damn, this motherfucker clean.
Yo, man, welcome to ndemstreetstv, man. Y'all see what it do, man. Hold on, I just want to show off that good old belt, man. You know, here you go, so you can see it, man. King of the streets. We waiting on y'all. Somebody come out here and get it. Come take this belt home for a couple of days until the next challenger come up, man. Let's get outside and get to walking around this motherfucker and see this is the deal. Who want to go for the title tonight?
Hey, today is gonna be Memorial Day.
Oh, today is gonna be Memorial Day. All right, Memorial Day.
Memorial Day weekend.
Memorial Day weekend, we're gonna be outside. We're gonna have a hop for the title belt, you know, and we're gonna start this shit off right for the summer, and that's gonna be our King of the Street summer tip off. Every month we're gonna try to do it every month somewhere. We're gonna pick a date, you know, pick a week somewhere.
And we're gonna pick different parks.
Pick different parks, and we're gonna be outside. That's it. Y'all see it?
We got one right there.
Y'all see it?
We might have a contender right here
We
next
see
to
you three-wheeling, but what that front do? We see you three-wheeling, but what that front do, man? Brought to you by Tay Diggs, man.
And John John.
And John John, man. We outside.
There go a cutting up person.
We outside.
They gonna cutting up person right here. Turn that belt around.
Shit, they go cutting up. You going for the belt, Fern?
Hell, motherfucking no.
Oh, you don't want the belt?
Well, I got my
You don't
own
want the
belt.
belt?
I'm cutting up. Cut up without the belt.
Yeah, nah. Yeah, that's all you can do because you know you ain't gonna be able to hold it.
Hey,
You know you ain't gonna be able to hold it. See, that's what the problem is. A nigga don't want the belt because he know he ain't gonna be able to
Problem
hold
is,
the belt.
niggas ain't no hopper. I'm a real low rider. That's the problem.
Right,
These
you
niggas on that
ride
new
all you
school
want.
shit. I enjoy what I enjoy.
We
Old
enjoy
school
it too.
shit.
We enjoy
So
it too.
I stay in my
You got
lane.
it.
So
You
stay in
got it.
yours.
I'ma stay in my lane.
Yeah, cutting up.
But yeah, fam first said it. You know, I said it and we lied. Like I said, anybody in cutting up need to come for this belt, man. Because they pop their shit out there. So tell them to come for this belt. Because
Now he got a point. Now he got a point. We gonna
They
stay
pop
on
their
it.
shit.
Now I gotta
So
stand up for the
somebody
whole damn
better come for
club.
this belt. Okay?
Oh. Well, you already know the score.
Hey, man.
Y'all wouldn't even start no
Majestics.
for cutting up.
Majestic.
What? Did that nigga say what? Y'all didn't start no. If y'all wouldn't be on this belt shit if it wasn't for cutting up.
Oh, man,
Y'all went trophies, y'all went belts, trophies, all that shit. We didn't ask for all that shit. We just asked to low ride.
Now you sound like a lie.
We just low ride.
That sound like a fib. Hey, man, Majestic, we want to know, man, y'all gonna come out and compete for the street title one of these days, man, with some street. I know you the hottest thing in the city, man.
What's labeled as street? Drivable?
Nah, we talking about
a
real
full-blown street car.
Full-blown street car.
Must have music in it.
Must have music.
At least 2 adventures.
Full-blown street car.
Full-blown street car.
That's a hopper.
In the wheel well.
That's a hopper.
I was just gonna say.
60 inches. You doing over 60 inches.
I can lock it up lower.
No, we don't want to hear that bullshit.
Hey, I just gotta drop
You's a
some
real
chain
low
links.
rider. You's a real hopper, man.
You guys need to make one for us then too.
Yeah,
We are. It's coming. It's coming.
Just know
But don't mean you gonna get it.
No,
Don't mean you gonna get it though.
See, the rules is everybody gets the challenge.
Right.
That's the point.
Once
It's
I
a
get
challenge.
that motherfucker, you ain't getting that motherfucker back. They can try all
You
they
said
want.
Pop that shit,
like a needle
Pop
to a
that shit.
balloon.
Hey, I don't know. Frog might be coming to get it too.
Well, Frog's with it too.
Frog
might
don't
be
got a
coming to
street
get the
car.
title.
Frog don't got a street
No,
car.
we talking about for the hop title. You know.
Oh, for the hot title.
Yeah, for the hot
What you
title,
think
man, you
when I
know?
come out with the hot title for the belt?
Coming out with a street car for the belt, man. We just want to know. We going around talking shit. You gonna be on vacation?
So you ain't gonna be out Memorial Day weekend? No. All right. So his chains ain't gonna be hanging.
I'm gonna let y'all have fun.
His
Yeah,
chains
don't
ain't
worry.
gonna be hanging.
I'll spectate. I'll cheer.
Yeah, that's what we need you to do. Spectate. You know,
I'll
you the
come
best.
clap for you.
You know you the best.
Do your thing. Do your thing.
That's it. Ain't no hoppers down there.
Oh, okay. Go back over here now.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
King of the streets, man. Real street cars, man. What's the deal, man?
Handing that out tonight.
No, not tonight.
Competition.
Not tonight. But we will be handing this out, and we will be having another title.
Do it even fit my waist?
2 other title belts. Nah, it don't. It
Yeah,
don't
no.
go the way
It should fit you.
My head pretty big though. You see?
No, try it around your waist. It should fit you. I make sure it fit. I make sure it extend.
You might as well just take that.
Yeah, that motherfucker hard. Let's go for a nice one.
But yeah, we're gonna come out with another one too.
We coming out
This
with-
one is a street car.
Coming out with straight street car. We're gonna have super
Hey, get the
street.
fuck out of here.
We're gonna have double, and then we're gonna have king of the streets hopper.
Highest inch car.
Yeah, higher
Yeah.
six.
King of the street, then there's the King of Vegas.
Well, see, now you gotta be higher than Big Al, because Big Al out here.
Yeah, he the king.
What's he got?
110.
Oh, boy.
That nigga said extra batteries. That nigga tough. Hey, you know what? We're gonna have to do luxury, and we're gonna have to do King of Chevys. You hear me? We're gonna have to do a King of Chevys class too. on my shoulder for like the next 6 months. It's gonna look good on my shoulder for like the next 6 months, just like that.
Like the speaking thing.
That's what I was.
Gotta get my shit fucking clean like that.
Hey, bro, you know I'm stupid. You know I be on that little live shit. I be telling people, hey, this is gonna be so hard.
Should I fuck them up tonight or stall them out?
Did they pull up?
John!
They pulled up and both of their niggas over there. So should I fuck them up tonight or what?
These the ones that said fuck Chip Chip Chronicles?
Fuck Chip Chip Chronicles. All on the bumper. You hear me?
Y'all at once.
All on the bumper.
Y'all next to each other.
Tell them what's up, man.
Fuck them up right now tonight or stall them out?
Bro, first off, one of
Wait, turn around.
me today and said, I need help to go. I'm broken. I'm broken.
Nigga, come on now. I didn't call you. I texted you, nigga.
He said, I didn't call you, I texted
I
you.
texted you. I said,
Talk to him nicely.
bros. You want trying to help me fix my car? All right, if you ain't got no welder, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna fix my shit by myself. I got it done though. I bet you that motherfucker work.
Oh.
Okay, they better stop playing.
Uh-oh.
I'll break and tow my shit home.
Is Jack out? Is Jack out?
Y'all got lucky he didn't want to do y'all like that at the thing. At the college.
Couldn't do nothing.
He had this part. He was going to pull up in this end of y'all.
Yeah. Every day. Let's do it. Make a day and let's do this shit. Y'all talking too much.
You make the day.
You like
day,
the
make
fuse
the
and blow it out.
It's
You
Hop
like
Hop
the fuse.
Chronicles versus Chip Chip Chronicles.
Light the
What y'all
fuse
Wait,
and blow
what
it
you
out.
say?
Hop Hop Chronicles
Wait, wait.
versus Chip Chip Chronicles.
Okay.
Oh, is y'all chipping? Okay.
That's what you do, Chip.
I'll ship you up right now. I'll do it tonight. Today. Today is the day. Tonight.
Oh, yeah?
Today, time
Tonight.
and place is right now.
Do it.
Right
Tonight.
now is the time and place.
Break.
Okay. Let me go.
Hey,
hold
y'all
on.
tripping.
Hold on, let me go get the belt.
Y'all tripping.
I think you got me. You go to the truck. Don't nobody else want to
So both of them niggas. Turn around. So both of them.
And she gotta give me a hug.
So you showed up, huh?
Oh, okay. I was just making sure. I'm just saying too.
Wait. We starting right now?
Wait, hold on.
I'm just saying, he in his car.
Hey, wait, Shavario.
I ain't never got punched in my mouth like that and then did shit, so I
Look,
don't
it's
know.
already leaking.
Okay, we're not on camera.
No, you do you. Your car only work where? Where your car work at? It don't matter, wherever. Well, do whatever you want to do. It's up to you.
Okay. Man, we live, man, them streets.
I know I'm not in my switch right, but it's okay though.
Oh, you was watching that?
He did.
They did good.
He double pump.
Hey, he got you. He got you. Yep. Yeah. Don't you? Nothing. Over here just watching them hop. You want Shavario and Tune? He want a piece of you too.
Oh, you know he is.
Right here at Tune House. Juju said, do you want some of that gravy?
Come on.
Huh?
Come on. Hey,
Hey.
don't worry about guess what we finna do. Come on.
Huh?
Come on.
Hold on.
Give my
You say what? You say what, Juju?
Tell them to come up to Bangor Shop so I can bust all three of their ass in a row.
No, come to my house.
Nicely.
Come to my house. We got all space and opportunity, nigga.
Got him pumped up.
Oh, hey, you heard him. He said come to his house. Hold on.
My shit fucked up.
What? Tune? Tune?
Oh, you waiting on the baby, bro? Get up, get me off camera. It's over.
No, I'm trying to.
Thing that my head be on. Red bone, big bitch with a sandy tongue. Young, South Beach in the Miami zone. Damn, she grown, bad little baby come. Head out from me, she out the door. One head job from her, she out the door. Don't trip pronto, bitch, out the door. Back to the beach, back yo. Come on, to the side, she a cold. Search the whole beach. Type that might go out and bring back something wild. Screaming, fuck me, fuck me.
It's the ain't. What that front do?